Hey everyone, this is my RAS for the 25-inch wheeled cart and 22-inch toolbox. We have 25 at $350. Copy our list. We'll go down and go live. $612 and $612. Paste our list. And roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. $612 still. Got a 3, so that's not enough. We'll roll again. 2, not enough. We'll roll again. And we got a 9. Let's turn into 613. There are 25 items on the list. Got Miss Samantha on top, Miss Kim on the bottom. 613. Dice was a 9. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still 25 items on the list. Mr. Chuck's on the top. Mr. Landon's on the bottom. We've been 8 times. Dice calls for a 9. This will be the final time. 6:13 p.m. Good luck, everyone. And Miss Tanya, she's going to have to tell me how to say that, is the winner in spot number 7. 25 items on the list. 9 times. Dice was a 9. Congratulations. We're done. $614. Thanks for the fill, everyone.